Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at an example of the unsinkable legend, the iconic 170 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's 17 foot 4 inch overall, has a 7 foot 3 inch beam, and a draft of approximately 12 inches. Beginning here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the Mercury 115. You also have the ski tow arch. The aft seats are an option. They are removable. The backrests come out and you have 4 rod holders across the transom. This boat's equipped, of course, with the Helm seat that can be adjusted in numerous positions. You can have it as a leaning post. You can sit and face backwards, sit and face forward. You also have storage under the seat. The fuel tank on the Montauk now is below deck, which is a nice feature. At the helm, you have your fusion display, your RPM gauges, all your toggle switches, cup holders, nice clean layout. In the console area, you have your battery storage. Up front, this boat's equipped with the fishing package. So you have your rod holders, backrest, and cooler. Optional bow cushion as well. This boat does have the high bow rail. There's a number of rail options available on this boat. This boat's also equipped with the Bimini top, which is great because it's very versatile. You can take the top off, you can lay it down, you can put it up. You have numerous options with it. Well, that's a quick walkthrough on the 170 Montauk. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat available in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.